Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Porsche Macan rear bumper. Begin by ensuring the car is on level ground and the parking brake is set. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues when handling sensors. Lay out a clean workspace and collect trays for screws and clips. Use protective covers on panels to avoid paint scratches. Take photos as you go to document fastener locations for easier reinstallation. In this video, I will explain how to remove Porsche Macan rear bumper. Start by collecting the right tools so you avoid interruptions mid-job. Inspect clips and fasteners and replace any brittle pieces before reassembly. Clear a well-lit area with room behind the bumper to pull it away safely. Prepare a soft blanket or bumper stand to support the bumper and prevent scratches while you detach wiring and mounts. In this video, I will review how to remove Porsche Macan rear bumper. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while you work. It keeps water cold and fits most car cup holders, making long repair sessions more comfortable. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more friendly DIY content. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you remove Porsche Macan rear bumper. First, turn the wheels and remove inner liners to expose fasteners, then remove T25 and 10 mm bolts holding the bumper. Unclip sensors and tail light connectors, noting each connection location. With an assistant supporting the bumper, free the side tabs and lift the bumper straight back to avoid catching clips. Set the bumper on soft padding and inspect mounts for damage or bent supports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.